Amen is here, and I'm going to teach you exactly what I was doing that. It's one rudiment, the double paradiddle. The double paradiddle consists of two pairs of... A pair of single strokes is right, left. So a double paradiddle means two pairs, so right, left, right, left. Then the diddle consists of a double stroke right hand, right, left, right, right. And on paradiddles, whatever you do on the right side, you have to do the left hand lead as well. Left, right, left, left. So a triple paradiddle would be three pairs of singles, and your diddles. Right, left, right, right. Got to do the same on the other side. Left, right, left, left. So in this lesson, we're doing the double paradiddle. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. This will be in a time signature of 6/4 or 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So get a metronome, put it on 6/4 or 6/8. Get a good tempo and practice this. Now the trick here is, once I do the right hand lead, right, left, right, that left hand is going to be my accent on the snare drum. Alright? Here it is, very, very slowly. Oh, that was a single. Take your right hand, put it on the hi-hat. You're going to have to work out hitting the sticks and dropping them, but practice. Here we go. Now the hardest part is the kick drum. I'm still working on where I want to put it at to make it sound like a groove. But anywhere I can get it in and kind of messes me up is perfect for now. Now here's the kick drum. Mess around with that, get it wherever you can get them in, and you'll see what I mean. Now the drum fill. The drum fill is still the double paradiddle. I'm still going. I'm still doing the double paradiddle just around the toms. So here it is, groove with kicks and a small drum fill for you. Watch this. I like to go as fast as I can to challenge my weak hand. So who said rudiments are a waste of time to practice? Double paradiddle. Get started now.
Can I go on TV now?
Yes.
Yes, baby.